Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have to find out multiple values in this table, guys. If you look at this example, we have to find out highest scorer name. But the challenge is that highest scorer, if you look at this math, you know, who is the highest scorer? 99. Pam is the highest scorer. What if John also got 99? If you look at physics, who is the highest scorer? Peter. Peter is the highest scorer. As you can see, no value is greater than this. So let me tell you, Donna might be getting 94, or maybe Pam again got 94 in physics, right? If you look at this data in chemistry, Barb got maximum, the highest number, and see, Debbie also got 70. Let me make Debbie 97. So, you have now lot of people who got similar score. How to find out that? Or maybe let me put some more people. Amy, 99 I can make. So there are 3, 4 people in math. In physics also we have more people who got same score. 97 Debbie, 97 Barb. Let me make Monica also 97. So there are people, we have to fetch all the people name. How to find out that? So it's so simple, guys. Let's see math. First, you have to find out highest scorer, all the names. How do we do that? Equal to, first you have to find out, you know, uh, dynamic array. You're searching math. Lock actually the row. You have to search in this area, and then you have to find out this entire array. All right, and see that this is how the dynamic math array we got. If you drag to the right and see that we got physics, and chemistry both. No, it's not working. It will work. Yeah, it's working. Here you can see this is physics and this is chemistry. It's working, guys. Okay. So let me do Control Z, and this is my array. Just Control C this. Let me park this formula here. Let me erase it. So here you can make equal to filter. What you want to find out the people name. Select the people name F4, comma. Now you have to find out the Boolean algebra. All right. So you have to mention this value equal to, use max function, and see that I'm getting no answer. See, answer is there, but the challenge is that is online Excel. I'm getting this issue. Maybe I can apply here and see that I'm getting all the people. All the people name I'm getting. Okay. Then you can simply use text join function. Okay. And delimiter could be this, true, ignore empty cells, and then wrap the formula properly. And see that these are people in math. If you drag this, so before you drag, just double check whether everything is perfect or not. And see that in physics, you have 3 people. Chemistry, again, you have 3 people. Okay. So if you look at this, 97 Monica, 97 Debbie, or 97 Barb. Monica, Debbie, or Barb is matching. So that's how you can find out the score. What if I ask you that I need score also? How to do that? I need to find out score also. So simply you can copy this formula, and there you can mention your formula back. Okay, what change you have to make? So in that case, you can make this entire thing rather this name, and see that I'm getting score. Clear? This is the highest score, right? Got it. And this is cool. What if I ask you that, get me the, see, in this case, tax join is not required. Okay, because it will get you only the one value. So you can ignore this. And then you can use distinct function or unique function. What unique function will do, it will actually keep only the unique value. And this is the formula you have. So what if I need in this formula the score also? So how you can do that? So maybe the maximum score you can see. This is the maximum score. Control C. Okay. You just come to that formula in the filter. Can we concatenate? Is this possible? Ah, it's possible. Here you can see I'm getting this, guys. So this is how you can perform your lookup, guys. Now the question is, we have to find out the count greater than 80. It's very simple. You can simply copy this formula, Control C, and you can use count if, and this is the range. This is the range, right? Let me copy the range back. All right, equal to count if. So count if is used to find out occurrence, and then you can mention greater than 80. There you will get the count of 5 people are there in math whose score exceed 80, and see that we are getting the answer. So, accordingly, you can do that. Now, the challenge is, who are those 5 people whose score greater than 80? So that is also we have to find out. So how do we find out that? Come on. It's so simple, guys. So simple. So you can simply, and you can use, how you can use it? Like we need to find out the name whose score greater than 80. So let's build the logic here. X lookup. This is my array, right? This is my array. Yeah, you can now find out. Control C, we got it. So here you can use filter function, filter, and select the names. F4, comma, this is the formula, right? The formula we created. Anyway, we can recreate that formula. And you want to search this. Row should be locked. Row should be locked, not column, right? And which you are searching here. What you want in return, guys? This entire array, and this should be greater than 80. And see that these are the people whose score greater than 80. What if I mention greater than 98? You can see these people are there. Okay, these people greater than 98 means 99. These two guys, and we have another guy, this John. So we have Amy, Pam, John matching. So guys, that's how you can work this formula and see that we are getting this. So there are 5 people and there are 7 people, right? And there are again 5 people. It's very weird, but a lot of people use this. Use count A after you get the data. So this is again becoming this, and see that this. So this formula simply count if, and this formula first we found out the people whose score greater than 80, and then we use count A function. Count A function, count A, it tells us the count, tells us the count, right? It actually it counts everything. Count A, like either number or text, both it considers, guys. I hope you found this useful. So guys, for more such recordings and videos, please share, subscribe, and love my channel. Thank you so much.